Hey guys, just wanted to show you this quick kind of before and after shots. There's not any detailing action going on, but just showing you a before and after on what the vehicle looked like before I started working on it. It looked pretty dirty. Outside wasn't like muddy and slopped or anything on there, but a lot of the wheels had a bunch of brake dust buildup and stuff like that. And then of course with like a lighter silver, the dirt just doesn't show that much. But anyway, it was decently dirty on the outside, a bunch of scuffs and things like that, so I tried to document that via video and pictures just to make sure that we cover our bases. You can see the floor mats are pretty well hammered, but yeah, this side, look at the brake dust on there, it's just pretty bad. So while I'm doing the before walkthrough and taking pictures as well, I just try to document any scratches, dents, dings, anything that's blatantly obvious. That way, in case there's an issue or the customer didn't notice, I've got some evidence to say, hey, this was already there. So pop the trunk area open on here, and see the trunk jam's pretty grody. We'll have to get that all cleaned up. And trunk and the driver's side front area usually are the worst. This is pretty hammered. As you can tell, there's just stuff all over the place, so that'll take quite a bit of time getting that out. And there's no trunk mat, so we're gonna have a little extra work ahead of ourselves getting all that cleaned up. The door panel's not terrible. I've seen a lot worse, and the jams actually aren't horrible, but the inside carpet and a bunch of junk on the seats. The carpet's just, it looks like it hasn't ever been vacuumed. I don't know. Bunch of dust buildup, and it's dirty. Cup holders and stuff, all that I had to do steam cleaning because it just wouldn't wipe out. There was just too much junk buildup, and then all the vents and everything in there, you can see it needs quite a bit of attention on there. And then I'll show you the second row here in a little bit once we get some close-up shots of the seat. Show you the back area. The grandkids and stuff rode in the back, so we got a little extra mess in the back, but the front's pretty bad too. So the seats, there's not a ton of staining. It's more just like food crumbs and just junk, and you can see there's crud everywhere. So there's going to be quite a bit of cleanup on here, and we'll go around and show you the rest of the vehicle. But yeah, the carpet is not in good condition. Thankfully, this isn't a Kia or a Mitsubishi or a Toyota or Subaru. The Chevy carpets aren't horrible for cleaning up. I like the Fords are pretty plush, but the Chevrolet carpets aren't too terrible, so that'll make getting this cleaned up a little bit easier. But let me know what you guys would rate this car dirtiness wise, inside and out, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the worst. I think I'd probably give this, like, I don't know, a 6 or a 7. I tried to get some video of the steering wheel controls because some of the clear coat was peeling off around there, and then yeah, around the vents and stuff is just hammered dirty. So we'll have to get all this vacuumed and cleaned up. I ended up having to use the drill brush and the tornador and the steamer just to get everything cleaned up. It had been neglected for too long, so getting all this stuff out of there, it took quite a bit of doing, and there's gummies and candies and stuff stuck around the seat tracks and around the center console, and it was just a bit of a mess. So this one was a fun little project. Ended up taking me just under 5 hours doing the inside and out, and you can see when I got done with it, it cleaned up pretty good. Got the trunk jams blasted out as well as I was able to, and they're looking a heck of a lot better. I got probably 85-90% of the stuff in the trunk carpeted area all cleaned out. Some of that stuff, it just gets ground in there and you just can't get it out, but it looks way better. So customer was really happy with how it turned out. We'll pan around to the rear passenger. The windows are all nice and clean. Jams are clean. Door panels looking good. Seats are looking way cleaner. So we got all that junk out of there. We steam and spot treated some areas that needed it with some carpet cleaner. Most of the junk is cleaned out of there. It's not perfect, but when something's been this far neglected, it's not going to be possible to get it 100% clean. So we did the best job that we could, and it's looking a heck of a lot better. You have to let me know what you guys think of the before and after shots here. Got this thing looking a lot cleaner than it was. Got a lot of the dust and junk and just food crumbs and debris and stuff all cleaned up, and it's looking a heck of a lot cleaner. Got everything all wiped up best as we could, and the dash and the vents don't have a bunch of dust and crud in there. So got the center console steam blasted and got that all cleaned up, so it's looking a heck of a lot better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks guys for watching this quick before and after.